Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the canvas with the correct resolution and 16:9 ratio so uploads display cleanly. This avoids cropping on devices. Once set, import your logo, main image, and font so everything is ready. Make sure to enable guides and a safe title margin. This prevents important elements from being cut off by YouTube overlays. Now position rough placeholders for title, call to action, and channel mark. This is your visual hierarchy, and it guides every edit that follows. Now refine the layout. Align your focal image using the rule of thirds so viewers' eyes land where you want. Constrain proportions to avoid distortion. Once done, craft a clear title hierarchy, large primary words, smaller supporting text, using only 2 fonts to keep readability. Make sure to increase contrast between text and background with overlays or drop shadows so the title pops on small screens. Finally, check spacing and visual balance. Small nudges improve legibility across devices. Finish by exporting at high quality, choosing PNG or JPEG and keeping file size reasonable for upload. This preserves sharpness. Then preview the poster at small widths and on a mobile layout to confirm legibility, because most viewers will see a reduced size. If the title or logo loses clarity, increase font size or weight, simplify the background, and re-export. One troubleshooting tip: if colors shift after upload, convert to sRGB before export to ensure consistent color reproduction across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.